Shop-bought glitter glue is expensive and it always runs out halfway through a project. You can make your own at home in about 2 minutes for a fraction of the price. I'll show you how, and then 5 simple things to make with it. The steps are on screen so you can pause and follow along. How to make the glitter glue. All you need is clear PVA or white school glue and some glitter. Fill a small jar about halfway with glue, add a couple of spoonfuls of glitter, and stir well with a lolly stick. Fine glitter mixes in best, and you can add a drop of gel food coloring for color. If it's too thick, add more glue. If it's too thin, add more glitter. The glue dries clear, so all the sparkle stays behind. And because the glitter is held inside the glue, it barely makes any mess. Keep the stick in the jar because the glitter settles and needs a quick stir before each use. Craft 1. Sparkly cards. The simplest thing to make is a set of sparkly cards. Fold a piece of card in half, draw a design on the front in pencil, a star, a heart, or a name. Then trace over the lines with glitter glue and leave it to dry flat. You end up with a homemade card that looks far better than anything from a shop, and it's an easy way to use up odd bits of card. Craft 2. Window Suncatchers. Window Suncatchers are the one kids find most satisfying because of the peeling. Lay a plastic freezer bag flat, draw a thick shape with the glitter glue, a flower, a fish, a heart, and fill it in with no gaps. Leave it to dry overnight. The next day, peel it off and press it onto a window where the light shines through it like stained glass. Use plenty of glue so it holds together in one piece when you peel it. Craft 3. Calm Down Galaxy Jar. A galaxy jar is calming to make and calming to watch. Fill a clear jar with warm water, squeeze in a big blob of glitter glue, add a pinch more glitter, screw the lid on tightly, and shake until the glue dissolves. When it settles, the glitter drifts slowly down through the water like stars. A lot of parents use these as a calm-down jar, something to shake and then watch quietly when a child is feeling wound up. Craft 4. Puffy Name Art. Puffy Name Art dries raised so you can actually feel the letters. Write your child's name in big bubble letters on a piece of card, trace over them thickly with glitter glue, and leave it to dry. It puffs up as it dries, so the name ends up raised and sparkly. It makes a great sign for a bedroom door, and because they've made it themselves, it tends to stay up for a long time. Craft 5. Glitter bookmarks. Glitter bookmarks are quick, useful, and easy to give away. Cut a strip of card, decorate one side with patterns in glitter glue, and leave it to dry. Then punch a hole at the top and tie on a piece of ribbon or wool. It makes a nice little present for a teacher or a friend, and unlike a lot of crafts, a bookmark actually gets used. So that's homemade glitter glue and 5 things to make with it, all from 1 bottle of glue and a pot of glitter. If you only try one this week, start with the galaxy jar because it's the one kids come back to again and again. If your child enjoyed the Calm Down jar, you'll like our video, 6 easy crafts that help kids process their big feelings, and you'll find it on screen now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.